Had to try it, Sean. Had to try it. Defiant Renegade time. I want to see if this thing's going to take off on the ground. And I just had an action cam on top of it. Obviously, too much weight, but it's cold. Get used to that. I gotta get used to that. Flew the big cargo plane and enjoyed that. I should probably have my transmitter mid on, but we're gonna go for it a little bit. So the first thing I want to see is, will it take off on the ground? Because I'm curious about that. It's supposed to. Now this grass is a little choppy, but the props are supposed to clear. All right, I'm on my high rates. No, it's not gonna take off on the ground. Had to try it. Just some line of sight flying, fun little 2S plane. And I can really goof around with the differential thrust now. Let's just get it in closer. What I want to try next on a nice day when I have a chance is I want to get in there and I want to put some flaperons going with the ailerons, mix in some flaps, see if I can get it even slower into a slower crawl. That's a little rudder turn. Oh, whoa! Too much rudder turn. I got my rates up way too high on that elevator. Turn off that differential thrust and just cruise and bruise. I love this little thing. One of my buddies was saying I need to do a little bit of a military paint scheme on it, and I'm like, nah, it's weight. Paint's weight. Back onto my higher rates and just walk with this plane. Once I get a better FPV system in it, I'm totally going tree surfing and hunting and gapping, and even on this wind it is pretty darn respectable. Those little 2S packs don't like the cold, but they're doing all right. 2S 500s, some little I think these are 13.0, no, these are 1106 motors, I believe. You just you gotta mix your throttle, do a little throttle pushing when you get stuck in the wind, and just turn it and just really let the thing sing. Oh yes, that should look fantastic. A little bit of swish and pan. Woo! Power up. My CG could have been off on that little bump. What do you think? Bring it in, throw in the new battery, and just do one more little try with the action cam on top. I love it. You can just power out of it and climb right out of it. Probably could catch this thing if I was brave enough, but we've seen those videos. Got some work to do on my Renegade, getting some desync issues. I think it's the receiver, it could be those ESCs. Either way, this airplane is going to evolve and get all the equipment it deserves, because it is so worthy of that. Thinking possibly some 2S 800s to give it a little bit more CG weight, a little bit more runtime, and definitely some better ESCs. I'm Andre, Defiant Renegade. So worth it.